Are you a Trinidadian entrepreneur dreaming of online income? Maybe you're wondering, is making money online legal in Trinidad and Tobago? This is a crucial question for anyone looking to tap into the digital economy right here at home. We're about to dive deep into what you need to know. The short answer is a resounding yes. Making money online is legal in Trinidad and Tobago. However, like any business venture, it comes with specific rules and regulations. It's not just about setting up a website, it's about understanding the legal landscape. Many Trinidadians are already successfully earning online, from e-commerce to freelancing. The key is to operate within the established legal framework. Let's break down the essential steps to ensure your online ventures are compliant and sustainable. First up, consider your business structure. Even if you're a sole proprietor working from home, official registration is often required. This legitimizes your operation and protects your business name. Registering your business with the companies. Registry ensures you're recognized by the state. This step is vital for operating legally and building trust with your customers and clients. Don't skip it. Just like traditional businesses, your online earnings are subject to taxes. The Board of Inland Revenue, or BIR, expects you to declare your income. This includes income tax and potentially value-added tax, or VAT, depending on your revenue. It's crucial to keep accurate records of all your transactions, both income and expenses. This simplifies tax filing and helps you stay compliant with local tax laws. Ignorance is not bliss when it comes to the BIR. Beyond registration and taxes, there are other laws that might apply. If you're selling goods online, consumer protection laws are important. Data protection regulations also come into play if you collect customer information. Always ensure your website terms and conditions are clear and legally sound. If you're offering services, having a proper client contract is invaluable for protecting both you and your customers. So, how do you navigate this? Start by researching your specific online business niche. Understand the general legal requirements, then seek professional advice. A local lawyer or accountant can provide tailored guidance. Stay informed about any updates to Trinidad and Tobago's e-commerce or business laws. Operating legally protects you, your customers, and your future success. Making money online is legal and profitable when done right. In conclusion, making money online in Trinidad and Tobago is absolutely legal and a fantastic opportunity. However, you must actively ensure compliance with business registration, taxation, and other relevant laws. Take these steps seriously. Now you know what you must know to build a legitimate and thriving online business in Trinidad and Tobago. Get started the right way today.